Alchemical Wizard 27, Applied Mindful Asking. Let us discuss strategies for making more successful requests to our multi-dimensional selves. How do we ask the universe, fluidic fractal space-time continuum, or the cosmic consciousness, or our higher vibrational self, for that electric car that travels more than 300 miles on a full charge, for an amazing twin flame partnership, for an abundant business that aligns with our passions, or that back-burner humanitarian project that's been waiting to take real-world shape? Or just a simple answer to a question. How can we ask in a mindful and authentic way before visual imagination becomes manifested? Asking is often the only way to access the opportunities and multiple resources that can change our own lives and others towards a much better outcome. Asking our guides, asking our angels, asking our benevolent space family can be the same as asking our bosses for a raise when we really believe we're worth it. This is not an egotistical thing, this is a self-empowerment thought process. Because we know that after asking the expert in that request's field, we are really asking ourselves. And then we can start taking baby steps towards what we want to see happen in this 3D 4D matrices. I know this can be hard because of so much Pavlovian social conditioning and belief systems that have been put into place. The law of attraction or the law of coherence can go a long way in applying a mindful asking approach to our requests on a much larger scale. That scale being a service to others just by being more consciously aware of our own desires. Everything is connected. 1. Let us rise above our own resistance for being judged. Consider that we are the only ones judging. Let's get to the very core of our desire and be the judge by what our heart tells us. 2. Settling for less than what we want tends to create patterns of resentment and frustration. 3. Mindful asking builds intimacy. Let's think of our requests as a means of deepening our relationship with our guides, higher vibrational self or source or, etc. It is not an obligation or an order but a cyclical transmission of authentic desires and wants. 4. Consider what process brought us to the moment of asking. Was it a sudden insight, was it a period of reflection, or that aching emerging sense of what would really work best for all involved? Intuition. 5. See a bigger picture and the pond's ripple effect when we not only ask internally but in writing and spoken out loud or even posted in this postmodern age. Pun. 6. Making a manifest board or dream board can tell the universal matrix precisely what our intentions are. 7. Regard this pre-manifested request as inherently valuable and clarifying. If this request or desire is aligned with one's mission and passion in life, it can lead into a momentum that can produce opportunities for all. 8. When asking for something, set a very clear and detailed intention and then let go of the outcome. Opportunities and doorways open sometimes in alternative ways. 9. Practice making small requests and try to recognize all the different responses and then build upon those. Baby steps and patience can be a way to exercise this mental approach. 10. Remember that just clearly asking moves us into the direction of our desired outcome. Travis Carper. October 3, 2019. Blog on 3decrees.org.